Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain one important strategy. It's a very important strategy of price action. So I will explain today about very weak candle of the market, like this type of doji candle, not doji candle, doji type candle. Doji have no color, but it have color. This type of candle or this type of very weak candle, this type of candle or this type of candle. So when we see this type of candle, what we have to do? So when we see this type of candle to the opposite direction, suppose market started to falling down. So when market started to falling down, that time it's this type of candle form exactly in the downtrend market. So what we have to do? And when market started to going up, if we see this type of candle, weak candle, very weak, or this type of doji type candle, but it have color, not doji, but it have color. So very weak candle in an uptrend, strong uptrend market. What's the actual position? What's the actual situation? Now I am explaining. So first of all, I'm drawing the market condition. Suppose previous market suppose this is our level. So previously market start from here. This was previous market condition. Previously market start from here. So started to falling down, down, down. So when we see in this type of situation, market started to falling down previously like this way. So market may goes up from here, again fall down like this. So up, again fall down. So when market came to a level like this type of level, this is buyer's level. So after came to this level, if we see market again goes up from this level, like this type of creating any higher low, started to going up. Now it's a when market started to going up from this buyer's level, and market continuously creating like this type of situation, higher low. So when market started to going up, after came to this buyer's level, goes up, two candle fall down, again market started to going up, and it's a market already create higher low here. And when market came to this support level, this buyer's level, buyer's entry point level, so market again started to going up by creating higher low. And when we see market started to going up very strongly, and market, if we see, market came to this level. So after came to this level like this, market now here. So when market is here, if we see this type of very, very weak candle, this type of very weak candle here. So in this situation, this is the, we have to see the left side. In the left side, this is the level, and this is not a strong seller seller's zone. That means this is not a extreme zone. That means sellers not enter in the market from this level again and again previously. Just after pullback, sellers again enter in the market and turn the market to the downward direction. And when market came to this buyer's level, to this support level, or this is the buyer's zone. When market came to this buyer's zone, this is previously market reversed from here, from this level again and again. So after this type of situation, market again came back to this level. And when we see sellers are very weak here, and from this buyer's entry point level, buyers again started to going up, and already buyers make this type of higher low. So when market create this type of higher low and started to going up, and now market is here, and we have to see the left side, this point. In this point, left side, we see a strong seller's candle, strong seller's candle. Now buyers are powerful. Buyers started to going up very strongly after came to this level. So now buyers are powerful. So when we see in this case this type of very weak bearish candle, after this candle, market again continue to the upward direction. Market will goes up. So in this case, it have no power to turn the market to the downward direction, or it have this this small bearish candle have no power to stop this force of these buyers. That's why after this candle, market again continue to the upward direction. And if we see this situation after this candle, because now it's a strong buyers power, buyers are powerful here. So when we see after this candle, market break this level and goes up like this. After breakout of this level, if we see market again came back to this level like this, and we see this is also a wick candle and hammer candle exactly at the level. So after breakout of this level, now it's a support for this bearish candle. So now we can place our trade to the upward direction from here, and it's a more than 95% shear short trade, because when market changes its direction after came to a support level, after came to a buyer's entry point level and started to going up by creating higher low, and market came to a resistance level, but that time sellers are very weak. After these weak sellers, buyers again continue to the upward direction. And after breakout of this level, if we see this type of small bearish candle or doji type bearish candle like this type of, I'm drawing. So doji type, but not doji. It's not a doji candle, but it's looking like a doji type candle, but it have color. So after this candle, if we see market came below this level, so we can place our trade here. We don't place our trade immediately, because we if we want to if we can take some margin of safety, it will very good for us. When market came below this level, we can place our trade to the upward direction. So we have to follow one thing, that when market create, when market came to a support level, and when market at the support level, buyers entry point level, sellers are very weak, and from this buyers level, buyers started to going up very strongly. That the buyers are powerful, we have to go with the buyers. So when we see very weak sellers candle, this type of very weak candle, so it can't stop the force of these buyers. After this candle, market goes up again. So if market exactly close here, and after this candle, if we see this candle below here, it doesn't mean that market fall down after this candle, because now buyers are powerful, so we have to go with the buyers. That's why we can easily place our trade to the upward direction. So same thing for the downtrend also. So I will explain when market started to falling down, and if we see the buyer's candle, what we have to do, how we place our trade, and I will explain it in the real chart also. So in my next tutorial, I will explain in the chart also, then it will be very clear to everybody. So if anybody want to learn price action, volume analysis, all the shear short strategy, all the market condition, market situation, all the things about the market very deeply, contact me by Telegram at the rate TRUSTEDBNRY, WhatsApp +88017417789886, and direct call +88018300932926. So thanks for watching my videos.